Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel again. This is Dan, and today it is the first time for a long time, my friends. I'm back in the woods again. Set myself in the woods somewhere. It's 4 o'clock. Good luck to me. Don't know how I'm gonna survive, but I don't have a plan. I just wanted to get out in the woods, and now in the car, find somewhere to pitch in the meantime. The weather condition is great. It's 12 degrees. Here I come. Got the car parked up. Back in the woods. This is solo camping, and I was expecting to make a bit of fire, but as you say, it's been raining for a long time, and I don't think it's easy to make a fire because all the wood's getting really wet, even though it's no rain today. But as you know, this place hasn't been received the sun for a long time. We'll do as usual, get myself pitched. Right, so this is the state of my tarp. As you can see, I've got a DD tarp 3x3 here, and tying up between these big trees. If you sit right here, you wake up and you see the lake and a bit of the mountains, and you still use the tarp. I make it really walkable around it, and I just put 8 strings, and it does really good job. And I'm not relying on the string that comes from the shop because it's dark. I like to put a bit of like bright orange, bit of amber color, and that is the tarp, my friends. It's nicely pitched, I must say. The DD hammocks tarp. So I'm very pleased with the way I pitched, and it actually warm when you step underneath it. I don't know, in some sort of like maybe wind resistant or maybe some sort of stuff, but I feel a bit warm. And I put on this side because I like to see the big view, open lake, and behind this tree. And if later on, if the water draining through this hole, I have to put lock above it, make sure it's higher so the water can drip down there. Not worry about now because maybe I don't have any rain. So let's go to the hammock, guys. So this is the US Army hammock, and I got this from Cambodia, which is very handy. You got thermal, and you got thick layers, and it's camouflage color, and I got extra strings that I can pull and tied up many to trees, even though they are far away. I can reach as long as it reach the tents. Even though I have this from there to there, it gives me lots of extra string already. And with this hammock, it's very simple, no pockets or no technique or whatever it is. It just come up with the hammock like this, a string and a mosquito nets. The reason why it's very popular in Cambodia, during the Vietnam War, American troops were in Cambodia, and somebody invented this hammock with the mosquito nets. Obviously you can't sleep in the jungle without mosquito nets because It's a tropical weather, humid, rain, lots of scorpions and stuff. So this is very, very handy. And after that, it's been a massive dominated. It's been dominated to the people. So you wouldn't surprise seeing this hammock in Cambodia, especially like in the jungles and stuff. And it's handy. At the moment, I'm very pleased with my tarp, and the hammock sits nicely well. I like to sit down right here and lie down, see whatever the open lake in front of me, and a bit of space underneath it. So yes, now it's time for fire. Hopefully do a bit of choppings and stuff. I got some logs which been left over from the previous campsite. So instead of pitching here, normally we make a fire here, because I'm going to do something a bit different. So I'm gonna maybe make the fire here instead. So next stop is the tent pitch that the hammock is hanged, and the fire is going. It's 6:30, guys, and you can still see the lights. A month ago, you wouldn't be able to see anything, just pitch black. The weather still miserable. Lots of rain outside, especially on top of the mountains. But I'm here, very secured, and the fire is going as well. And it's warm actually. 11 degrees fire. So I want to make fire earlier, because in this country, you have lots of wood. You probably get really excited about, I will have all the fires at the campsites, and excited about the fire comes and stuff. But there's a warning, because to make fire here, it took me about an hour. Oh my goodness. Like in Southeast Asia, it takes like less than 5 minutes. You probably food's already done. The barbecue smells through the entire forest. But here, after an hour, you can't guarantee that you will have the fire camped at the campsite. So if I hadn't made my fire like about an hour and a half ago, I wouldn't be able to make a fire at night. Very dark. Once it pitch black comes, nothing you can do. This is what I've got here. I've got some salad in there, but I can't be bothered cooking, making salads. So the only thing that I've got is 2 pork ribs. Just cook it like that. And that's my pan there. The fire is absolutely amazing. Good fire. So this is the moment of tasty. Not the moment of truth, this is the moment of tasty. I must say, this is the best one though. Look at that one, look at that one. Oh, goodness me. Wow. You can definitely tell by the sound too, right? The sound of it. That means like, yeah, I'm yummy. I am yummy. Yeah. Do you hear the sound, guys? That is a yummy sound. Just turn around. Look at that. Oh, the smells. The smell is like the shame of the jungle, huh? Wow! Oh my goodness, look at that! Yeah, I can't wait to eat all of it, and yeah. This is my run 2 ribs. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely juicy. Gosh, I can't believe I have all of it. Just with sticky rice, no sauce. Enjoy, everybody. I'm trying to make more fires into my campsites. As you can tell, lots of fires. Finally, getting really late, and the wind, I don't think it's ever gonna stop, and I have to go to bed, and it's time to say goodnight as well. So the fire is still on, as you can tell, you can see, and I am going to go to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Night night. Good morning, guys. It's been amazing, actually. It's been warm, although the wind was crazy. Like the tree was sounding like, you know, I almost blown away. But besides that, I feel safe, and the weather is really content, really nice. The hammock is very cozy with my sleeping bag, and the tarp is keeping me dried. And here I come in the morning. Look, the fire going really well, I think until 12, but I damaged my tarp a little bit. Lots of holes around it because they are like small fires that flying over the top, and then it landed there and then created lots of holes. So not a good shout for that. That's it for me, guys, and thanks again if you make this far. And I am wrapping up, got all my stuff ready, my tarp, everything in this bag. Everything is clean, as you see, and I like to keep the campsites nice and clean, make sure that we leave no trash, and we keep our place more environment friendly. So thanks once again, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to put on the big thumbs up and comment below if you see anything, like anything in there. Besides that, I will see you in the next video.